Tanin Auto Electronix. Today we're working on a 2002 Lexus SC430. Problem with these is the climate control unit. Turn this down a little bit like that. So the issue these have is that the display segments will start to disappear. The lighting in here might start turning very dim, dark. As you can see, this lighting is nice and bright, and then the screen is clear with the information on it. So we replaced the screen on this. This is our Tanin Auto Electronix made screen. There was no replacement on the market, so we designed and developed one, and here we are now selling these displays to customers and installing them. So removal is fairly simple. This is just held in by 4 clips. So you want some type of a tool, plastic tool, to get in here, either side or the bottom, and then just pop it out. And you'll see right here is the two areas on the right side where the clips pop in, and then 2 areas on the left. And you'll see these 2 clips, maybe. Yeah, right here. There's a clip here, and then a clip there, and then right side. So those are just push fit. And then you're able to send in the climate control unit to us. This is a pretty intense repair, so you don't want to try this on your own unless you have experience doing so, because there's a lot of old, brittle plastic pieces inside of here. When you try to remove all this, pieces will break, buttons won't work anymore, and it can just turn into a mess. So unfortunately, the price on just this faceplate is I think $300, almost $400 from the dealer. So if you have a cracked faceplate, there's just no option. That's all you can do is buy a new faceplate. The display screen itself with the circuit board is close to $2,000, and then there's a circuit board on the back side, kind of on this back portion. There's a circuit board in here that runs about $1,000 depending upon the year. The face is interchangeable with any 2002 to 2009. The circuit boards are specific to years, so there's a lot of sellers out there that are saying the climates fit 02 to 09. That's not correct. 02 to 05 is one fitment, and then 06, 07, then 08, 09. If you use the wrong circuit board or the wrong climate control, features are not going to work. The screen might not turn on. The screen might have just basically everything might be lit up, all the segments. You won't be able to see anything. So they're very year specific, they're part number specific. So with that said, repair service is going to be the best option if you have display problems. If you have issues such as the top not working anymore, AC not turning on, certain buttons like let's say the left temperature doesn't work, that could all be the back circuit board problem. But you want to have this diagnosed first by a dealer or a shop, because you don't want to spend all that money just to find out you still have the same problem afterward. So in addition to the climate control, the speedometer also has similar issues where you'll see it's not very bright. So if you drive with the top down a lot, this might not be bright enough for you to see during the day. So we do have a service that replaces all this lighting with much brighter lights so you can see a lot better, and it'll also match the brightness of the climate control, because the climate control from the factory is pretty bright already. The cluster is just not. It just never was. For whatever reason, they kind of skimped on the lighting on this. So we do offer services for both. You'll see the display navigation here, tilt and open, sometimes it doesn't work. It's the motor behind this. This is motorized, so if the motor fails, it's not going to work anymore. We do have limited parts to repair these, but again, it's very old, so it's hard to find working parts on those. Radios, we haven't heard any issues with people having radio issues, so you know, we don't do anything with those because we just haven't had any issues with them. So that's it. I think I covered about everything on these. If you have any comments, questions, issues, let us know. But again, used parts are very hard to find. Dealers are very expensive, so contact us and we'll get you the right information and the right pricing on the parts you need to replace or repair. Thanks for watching. Bye.